How to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. If you're having problem logging in your TikTok from Facebook, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, check if your Facebook is correct or not. Sometimes switching different accounts on Facebook might cause this issue. If you check this and it is sure that the Facebook account is correct, then launch your settings on your device. From there, hit on General and tap on iPhone Storage. From here, search for TikTok application. Now do Offload app and hit on Offload app. Now, again, reinstall the application and then your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.